Did you know that for adults over 65, the kitchen stove is the #1 cause of home fires? Every year, thousands of families lose their homes and sometimes much more because of one simple mistake. Today's video reveals exactly what to watch out for and how to protect yourself and your loved ones. The statistics are staggering. According to the National Fire Protection Association's latest data, cooking fires account for 49% of all home fire deaths. But here's what should terrify every family with elderly loved ones. Adults over 65 are 2.5 times more likely to die in a fire than the general population. For those over 85, that risk jumps to 5.5 times higher. The U.S. Fire Administration confirms these sobering facts. Between 2014 and 2018, cooking was responsible for nearly half of all residential fire fatalities, and the trend continues into 2025 with no signs of slowing down. Consider what happened on Thanksgiving 2018. The NFPA recorded 1,630 cooking fires on that single day, 3 times the daily average. Many involved elderly cooks who became distracted or overwhelmed by holiday preparations. These aren't just numbers. These are grandparents, parents, neighbors whose lives changed forever because of preventable kitchen accidents. But why are stoves especially dangerous for older adults? The answer lies in a perfect storm of age-related challenges. Reduced mobility makes it harder to react quickly to emergencies. Cognitive changes, including early-stage dementia, can cause forgetfulness about whether burners are on. Diminished sense of smell might prevent detection of gas leaks or burning food. Impaired vision makes it difficult to see flame levels or read stove controls. Hearing loss means smoke alarms might go unnoticed. The TalkTech safety analysis from 2022 revealed another disturbing trend: late-night cooking fires. 23% of senior cooking fires occur between 11 p.m. and 7 a.m. Why? Many seniors doze off while cooking, especially when preparing late-night snacks or tea. The stove keeps burning while they sleep, turning a simple meal into a potential tragedy. Mistake 1. Leaving pans unattended. This is the killer that claims the most lives. The NFPA reports unattended cooking as the leading factor in cooking fires and casualties. Seniors often start cooking, then get distracted by phone calls, visitors, or simply forget they have something on the stove. AgingCare.com documented cases where seniors left kitchens just for a moment to answer the door or use the bathroom. That moment stretched into minutes, then disaster. Oil reaches its ignition point at 370 degrees Fahrenheit. On high heat, that happens in under 3 minutes. Mistake 2. Wearing loose sleeves. The Massachusetts Department of Fire Services specifically warns about loose clothing near stoves. Flowing sleeves, scarves, and even loose jewelry can catch fire instantly when reaching across burners. Fire departments report numerous cases of clothing fires among elderly cooks. These fires spread rapidly because synthetic fabrics melt and stick to skin, causing severe burns. The Eden Senior Healthcare Guide emphasizes wearing short or tight-fitting sleeves while cooking, yet many seniors continue wearing comfortable, loose-fitting robes or sweaters in the kitchen. Mistake 3. Storing items on the stove ProLine range. Hood's 2025 cooking fire analysis found that many seniors use stovetops as storage space. Pot holders, dish towels, paper towels, even mail gets placed on cold burners. But forgetting these items are there and turning on the wrong burner creates instant fires. Great American Insurance Group's fire safety data shows combustible materials near stoves cause thousands of preventable fires annually. Grease buildup compounds this risk. Many seniors struggle with cleaning, allowing grease to accumulate on stovetops and range hoods, creating additional fuel for fires. Mistake 4. Not having working smoke detectors. The Cedar Rapids Fire Department's older adult safety program found that many seniors disable kitchen smoke alarms because of frequent false alarms from cooking. Others simply forget to replace batteries. This mistake proves deadly. Smoke inhalation kills more fire victims than flames. Without early warning, seniors with mobility issues have no chance to escape. The USFA recommends installing smoke alarms at least 10 feet from stoves to reduce false alarms while maintaining protection. Mistake 5. Forgetting to turn off burners. Memory issues affect many seniors, making forgotten burners a constant danger. The 2025 Seasons Retirement Community Report highlighted cases where residents left burners on for hours or even overnight. Gas stoves present additional risks. A 2024 Science Advances study found gas stoves emit benzene at levels comparable to secondhand smoke. Seniors with diminished smell might not detect gas leaks, creating explosion risks alongside fire dangers. Senior Safety Advice reports multiple incidents of seniors accidentally leaving gas burners on without flame, filling homes with dangerous gas. If these revelations concern you, hit that subscribe button right now. Over 500,000 families depend on this channel for life-saving safety information. Don't wait until tragedy strikes. Subscribe and ring the notification bell to protect your loved ones. Solution 1. Use timers and reminder devices. Never rely on memory alone. Set loud timers every time you cook. Modern options include vibrating timers for those with hearing loss. Some seniors carry pot holders to other rooms as physical reminders they're cooking. The iGuard stove, trending in 2025, automatically shuts off stoves after detecting no motion for 5 minutes. At around $500, it's an investment that could save lives. For budget-conscious families, simple mechanical timers cost under $10 and provide basic protection. Solution 2. Wear proper clothing before cooking. Check your outfit. Remove scarves, ties, and dangling jewelry. Roll up or change loose sleeves. The Mass.gov Fire Safety Guide recommends keeping a cooking apron near the stove as a visual reminder to dress safely. Solution 3. Keep stovetops clear. Make it a rule. Nothing on the stovetop except active cookware. Designate specific storage areas for pot holders and towels away from heat sources. Use magnetic hooks on refrigerators or walls to keep frequently used items accessible but safe. Clean grease weekly. For seniors with mobility issues, long-handled cleaning tools make this easier. Grease-cutting sprays require less scrubbing, important for those with arthritis. Solution 4. Install and maintain smoke alarms. Place interconnected smoke alarms throughout the home, including near but not directly above the kitchen. The USFA offers free installation through local fire departments for seniors. Choose alarms with 10-year lithium batteries to eliminate frequent changes. For those with hearing loss, install alarms with strobe lights or bed shakers. Test monthly by having family members or caregivers assist. Solution 5. Use automatic shut-off devices. Technology offers multiple solutions for forgetful cooks. Fire Alert connects to smoke detectors and automatically cuts power to stoves when smoke is detected. Smart Burner, gaining popularity in 2025, limits electric burner temperatures to 350 degrees Fahrenheit below oil's ignition point. For gas stoves, automatic shut-off valves detect unusual gas flow and cut supply. Pioneering Technologies products specifically target senior living communities with proven success reducing fires by up to 80%. Consider switching to induction cooktops. These only heat when compatible pans are present, eliminating risks from forgotten burners or accidental activation. Senior Safety Advice notes: induction stoves are particularly beneficial for those with cognitive decline. Creating routines prevents disasters. Here's a simple daily checklist every senior should follow. Before bed, check all stove knobs are in the off position. Make this as automatic as locking doors. Place a note on your bedroom door. Did you check the stove? Many seniors find this visual reminder invaluable. Weekly tasks. Test smoke alarms every Monday. Pick a specific day to create habit. Clean stovetop and range hood of grease buildup. Check that nothing is stored on or near burners. Monthly reviews. Have family members inspect kitchen safety measures, replace any damaged cords on small appliances, review emergency escape plans, keep a small fire extinguisher within reach but away from the stove. The Kitchen Fire Safety Guide recommends Class B extinguishers for grease fires. Never use water on grease fires, it spreads flames instantly. Instead, slide a lid over burning pans and turn off heat. Post emergency numbers in large print near the kitchen phone, include 911, poison control, and a trusted family member. During emergencies, stress makes remembering numbers difficult. What's the biggest kitchen safety challenge in your home? Have you or a loved one experienced a close call with stove safety? Share your story in the comments below. Your experience could save another family from tragedy. Family members play crucial roles in senior kitchen safety. Regular check-ins aren't intrusive, they're loving. Install smart home devices, allowing remote stove monitoring. Many adult children use these to ensure parents' safety without compromising independence. Consider meal delivery services or batch cooking sessions where families prepare multiple meals together. This reduces daily stove use while maintaining nutrition and social connection. For seniors with significant cognitive decline, stove disconnection might become necessary. TrueCare NY's Dementia Safety Guide suggests removing stove knobs or installing hidden shut-off switches accessible only to caregivers. These difficult decisions prioritize safety while respecting dignity. Remember, cooking fires are completely preventable. Every safety measure implemented today could prevent tomorrow's tragedy. The Moral Care UK analysis emphasizes that fire safety isn't about restricting independence, it's about preserving it through smart precautions. August 2025 brings new technologies and awareness, but basic vigilance remains paramount. Stay in the kitchen while cooking, dress safely, maintain equipment. These simple acts save lives. If you found these tips helpful, hit subscribe for more life-saving home safety advice. Next week's video reveals hidden fire hazards in your bedroom you've probably never considered. Share this video with every family that has elderly loved ones. Together we can prevent these devastating fires. What kitchen safety tip will you implement first? Let everyone know in the comments. Until next time, this is Hidden Home Hazards, keeping families safe one tip at a time. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and most importantly, stay in the kitchen while cooking.